Good morning to all. In the last class we discussed about mortality rates. There are 6 mortality rates. First one crude death rate, next age specific death rate, then standardized death rate, neonatal mortality rate, infant mortality rate, and last one maternal mortality rate. So last class we discussed about the first two, crude death rate and age specific death rate. Crude death rate is the general one, and age specific, in the age specific death rate we are taking the age composition also. But one of the demerit of these two crude death rates is that we can't use for a comparison purpose. Even though ASDR considers the age composition, we won't get a single figure to represent the mortality of a population. So, for comparison purpose, another death rate is required, that is standardized death rate. Third one, standardized death rate. So as the name indicates, here one standard population is there. So suppose we have 3 populations. One population is a Kerala population. Suppose second one is Karnataka population, and third one Tamil Nadu population. So among these populations, one we are taking as a standard population. Sometimes a standard population may be any one of the given populations. So Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, anyone we can take a standard population, or sometimes a separate standard population may be given. Here what we are doing in standardized death rate is STDR is here we are taking the weighted average of ASDRs. STDR is the weighted average of ASDRs by taking standard population as a weights. So STDR definition is STDR is the weighted average of ASDRs by taking standard population as weights. So STDR is the weighted average. In the first year we saw what is weighted average. Weighted average means here weights will be given. So simple average is different. Weighted average, here each observation has given some certain importance. So that importance are called as weights. So here this STDR is the weighted average of ASDRs or age specific death rates by taking standard population as weights. Suppose we have 2 populations. Suppose we have 2 populations A and B. 2 populations A and B. Sometimes among these 2 populations we can take one as standard population, or sometimes a separate standard population may be given. Suppose the case is a separate standard population is given. Suppose a standard population is given, that is denoted by P. Then what we are doing here is first population is population A. This is population B. Population A given, similarly population A's deaths may be given. Similarly population B is given, population B's deaths may be given. How to compute STDR is, STDR of A is, for calculating STDR of A, first we have to compute the ASDR or age specific death rate of first population. Similarly, we have to find the age specific death rate of second population. So 2 populations are population A and population B. Here population may be given. Similarly, deaths given. Here also population is given, deaths also given. Separate standard population may be given. Our assumption is that all these populations, how many given populations are there, that will have the same age structure as that of the standard population. So standard population alli hege age structure irtada, same age structure will be there for population A and population B. So first we have to calculate the age specific death rate of population A. How to find ASDR? ASDR is a age specific death rate. Population in the first number of deaths in the first divided by given population in 2000. This one divided by population in 2000, like this. So first we have to find the ASDR of first population. Similarly, we have to find the age specific death rate of second population, that is B. Age specific death rate that is denoted by B. Last, standard population is given. Here also figures may be given. Next we have to find P into A. Next P into B. P into A means P means standard population. A means age specific death rate of first population. B means age specific death rate of second population. P into A, P into B. It will be clear once we done the problems. So P into A, P into B. Next we have to find the totals of both P into A, P into B. First one STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P, and STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P. STDR of A equal to sigma PA means P into A columns total divided by total population in the standard population. Similarly, P into B total divided by sigma P. So which one is less? This is mortality rate. Remember, this is a death rate or mortality rate. Which one is less? That population is more healthier. So STDR, suppose we got the answer here as a 10 and here suppose it is 12. So here 10 is less than 12. So STDR of A is less than STDR of B. So that population A is more healthier. Death rate, which death rate is less? That population is more healthier. So first what we have to do? Separate standard population is given means first we have to calculate the age specific death rate of first population. Similarly, age specific death rate of second population. Separate standard population is given. Then P into A one column, next column P into B. A denotes the age specific death rate of first population. B denotes the age specific death rate of second population. P into A one column, P into B one column. Totals we have to calculate. Similarly, total of standard population is also calculated. STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P. STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So which one is less? That population is more healthier. Take the then what may be the merits here? First merit means for here we are getting a single figure. See here 10, we got STDR of A as 10, STDR of B as 12. So we are getting a single figure. So for comparing the mortality rates of two or more populations, we use STDR. That is the first merit of this STDR. It is not easy to understand and simple to calculate. That is not the merit here, because calculation much is there, so it is not easy to understand. Merit means we can compute or we can compare the mortality rates of two or more populations. One more merit means we can consider here we are considering the age composition of the population. So first merit, merits For comparing mortality rates of 2 or more population, populations, we use this STDR. Second one, we are considering the age composition of the population. Here we are considering the age composition of the population. Then demerits are there. First demerit is this requires, STDR requires a standard population. Sometimes the selection of a standard population becomes difficult. So selection of it requires a standard population, and selection of a standard population becomes sometimes difficult. Second one, it depends upon the age structure of the standard population. So I told earlier, all the given population, our assumption is that all the given populations will have the same age structure as that of the standard population. So it depends upon all the given populations depends on the age structure of the standard population. That is also one demerit of this STDR. But comparison purpose, we are using this STDR itself. So one important measure of mortality is this STDR. Then comparison between CDR and STDR. Or difference between CDR and STDR. See, CDR, it requires less information. CDR requires only if we know the total population and total number of deaths, we can compute CDR. So CDR requires less information. CDR requires less information, but STDR requires more information. It requires more information. Second one, here population itself is taken as weights. But here standard population is taken as weights. So in CDR we will have a population. That population itself is taken as weights. Population and deaths, only two are there. Here standard population is there. Here standard population is taken as weights. Last one, we cannot, CDR cannot be used for a comparison purpose. STDR is used for a comparison purpose. So it cannot be used for a comparison purpose. Here it is used for a comparison purpose. So remember this much things. First one, CDR, the difference between CDR and STDR. CDR requires only less information. STDR requires more information. See here in CDR we are taking population itself is taken as weights. In standard, here in STDR standard population is taken as weights. Third one, CDR cannot be used for a comparison purpose. For comparing the mortality rates of two or more populations, we have to use STDR. So next we will go to problems. See here three types of problems are there in STDR. So first type separate standard population is given. This one very important, usually asked for 10 marks. See first question, compute the STDR for two populations A and B from the following data. So age given, population A, population B given. In population A, population and deaths given. Similarly in population B also. Next separate standard population is given. So remember this one, this is the first type, very important also. The question will be like this, separate standard population is given. We have to compute STDRs. So how to compute STDR? First to compute STDR, we have to compute the age specific death rates separately. Age specific death rate of population A, age specific death rate of population B. Then standard population is denoted by capital P. Remember that much things. So in some questions it may be population X, population Y. So some notations will be there. The easiest one population A and population B. See here, first we have to calculate. This is a lengthier problem. So first we can do, or we will compute age specific STDR for population A. So take population A. Population A. So what and all things required? Population A, age specific, age. Next population A is population deaths. First we have to compute age specific death rate. Next standard population. Standard population given, that is denoted by capital P. Last P into A, one column. So age. First one age. Age this one itself. Next population A. Population A is population. Next deaths. Next age specific death rate. Age specific death rate, since this is population A, age specific death rate is denoted by capital A itself. A equal to ASDR. Next standard population. Standard population. Standard population is denoted by capital P. Last one is last one column P into A. So before that, once I will repeat. See this much given, two populations are there, population A, population B, separate standard population is also given. So first we are calculating STDR of population A. For that, first one age itself, age for both population A and population B, age is same. Next population A. Population A is population, then population A is deaths. First we have to compute age specific death rate of population A. Next standard population. Standard population is denoted by capital P. Last column P into A. So one by one we will do. Age is 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 39, 40 to 59, greater than or equal to 60. Similarly, this one same 60,000, 46,000, 66,000, 40,000, 32,000. Then deaths, deaths of first population 340, 200, 570, 1340. Next age specific death rate. How to calculate? Number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in that specified age group into 1000. 1020 divided by 60,000 into 1000. For the first one only I am writing 60,000 into 1000. Similarly, 340 divided by 46,000 into 1000, 200 divided by 66,000 into 1000, 570 by this one into 1000, 1340 divided by 32,000 into 1000. So answers, first one 17, second one 7.4, next 3, next 14.3, Next 41.9. Next P standard population. Standard population separately given here. Just write that one. Standard population is 20,000, then 14,000, then 30,000, 20,000, then 16,000. 16,000. P into A. Next column is P into A. P into A means age specific death rate. Standard population is P. So 20,000 into 17. Second one 14,000 into 7.4. Third one 30,000 into 3. Next 20,000 into 14.3. Last 16,000 into 41.9. So P into A. This much. Next, what is the formula? STDR of A is sigma PA divided by sigma P. So sigma PA means or summation PA means P into A columns total. Sigma P is standard populations total. Sigma PA is this column total. This total is this much. And sigma P, this total population total is I will write here 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Next STDR of A is I will write here only STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P. That is sigma PA is 90000 divided by into 1000 or into 100, nothing is there. Remember only this much. For all vital events, for calculating CDR and all, we into 1000 was there. Here sigma PA by sigma P only. Into 1000 or into 100, nothing is there. Answer is STDR of A. Answer is 14.22. Sorry, 14.9. 14.9. This one divided by this one. So it is 14.9. Similarly, this is STDR of first population. We have to compute STDR of population B also. Same manner, only the difference which one, population B, population changes. Similarly, deaths changes. So that ASDR also changes. Then last standard population. Standard population is P. Same P into B there changes. So next population B. Population B. So age structure same, age. Then here itself I am writing standard population. You can write last also, no problem. Standard population P. Next population of B, that is population. Next deaths. Next ASDR of B. So we are denoting it as a capital B. B equal to ASDR. Last one is P into B. This much is there. So age composition same, 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 39, 40 to 59, greater than or equal to 60. Then standard population. Standard population is the last one, that is 20,000, 14,000, 30,000, 20,000, 16,000. Then population, which population? Second population, that is population B. First one is 15,000, 12,000, 22,000, 20,000, 14,000. 14,000. Deaths 380, 150, then 60, 200, 360. Next ASDR. How to compute ASDR? ASDR is a number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population in that age group into 1000. 380 divided by 15,000 into 1000. 150 divided by 12,000 into 1000. 60 divided by 22,000 into 1000. 200 divided by 20,000 into 1000. 360 divided by 14,000 into 1000. So that is first answer is 25.3. Second one 12.5. 2.7. Next 10. Next 25.7. So ASDR of B is this much. Last column P into B. Standard population is same. Standard population separately given there. I wrote here only. That is standard population is this one. Last column is P into B. P is this one. B means this column. So 20,000 into 25.3. Similarly 14,000 into 12.5. Next 30,000 into 2.7. Similarly 20,000 into 10. 16,000 into 25.7. Answers are total is total which and all required? P into B column is required, last total. Next sigma P. Sigma P we already calculated, here we have to write. Next P into B total is PB total is this much, 13,73,200, and this total is standard population total is 1 lakh. So this is the column. STDR of B is what is the formula? STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P. Remember into 1000 or 100 nothing is there. Sigma PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PB is that one, 13,72,000 divided by sigma P is 1 lakh. 13.72. 13.72. So which STDR is greater here? STDR of A is 14.9. STDR of B is 13.72. So STDR of B is lesser than STDR of A. Therefore, population B is more healthier. So which population we have to tell, not a STDR or something. Which STDR is less, that population is more healthier. You have to write the comment also. So since STDR of B less than STDR of A, town B is more healthier, or population B here. So population B is more healthier. Population B is more healthier. So remember, this is the case. This one very important, usually asked as 10 marks. So separate, this is the case when separate standard population is given. First we have to compute ASDR of first population, then standard population will be there, it is denoted by capital P. Next P into A one column. Next STDR of A is sigma PA by sigma P. Similarly population B. Population B age structure will be same, standard population also same. Then population deaths, population B is then B equal to ASDR, last P into B, its total. Formula is STDR of B is sigma PB divided by sigma P. So answer is 13.72 here. Which STDR is less, that population is more healthier. So death rate, which one is less, that population is more healthier. We can do one more problem. This one very important, so remember. From the following data, compute STDRs. Age, then standard population, then village A, village B, population deaths, age 0 to 20, $20,000, $30,000, $35,000, $15,000. This is the question. See, I'll do here only. So this is the question, compute STDRs and comment. Comment, even if they didn't ask, you have to write the comment. So age given, standard population separately given. In the previous problem also we did the same. So standard population is given. Here village A given, their population. Here village. Village A is a population deaths. Village B is a population deaths. So first we have to compute which one? ASDR of village A. Then ASDR of village B. So how to compute? First village A. Village A. Age will be same. Then standard population. First I will write a standard population. Standard population is denoted by capital P. Then village A is population, then village A's deaths, then age specific death rate, that is denoted by capital A. Last column for P into A. This much columns are required. So age structure will be same, 0 to 20, 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. Standard population separately given there, 20,000, then 30,000, 35,000, 15,000. population A, population village A's population, that is 128, 65, so that one that's sorry 8,000, then 13,000, then 10,000, 4,000. Then deaths 128, 65, 140, 252. This one. Next, age specific death rate. Age specific death rate means number of deaths in the specified age group divided by average population into 1000. So 128 divided by 8,000 into 1000, 65 divided by 13,000 into 1000, 140 divided by 10,000 into 1000, 252 divided by 4,000 into 1000. So answer is 16, next 5, next 14, next 63. Last column P into A. A means age specific death rate, P means standard population. 20,000 into 16, 30,000 into 5, 35,000 into 14, 15,000 into 63. Answers are next 945. Total we have to calculate. This total is 1905,000. Sigma P total. Sigma P total means total standard population. Standard population total is 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Next we have to compute STDR of town A or village A. Village A STDR is so STDR of A equal to sigma PA divided by sigma P. That is sigma PA is 1905,000 divided by 1 lakh. That is 19.05. Similarly, we have to compute STDR of town B or village B. Same manner, only the difference here population and deaths changes. Village B, here age structure same, then standard population also same. Next population, next deaths, next B equal to ASDR of B, last one P into B. This much columns are required. Age is the same, 0 to 20, then 20 to 50, 50 to 70, greater than or equal to 70. Next standard population. Standard population also same, 20,000, then 30,000, 35,000, then 15,000. Here population, which population? Population village B is a population. Village B population is 4,000, then 9,000, 7,000, 3,000. Deaths of village B 72, 54, 98, 129. B means ASDR, 72 divided by 4,000 into 1000, 54 divided by 9,000 into 1000, like that. Answers are 18, 6, then 14, 43. Last P into B. P means standard population, B means this one, 18 into 20,000. Similarly, this total we have to calculate. P into B total is 1675000. Then here it is 1 lakh. So STDR of B is again apply the formula. STDR of B equal to sigma PB divided by sigma P. Sigma PB is this one divided by sigma P. Answer is 16.75. So which one is less? This is 19.05. This one is less. So STDR of B is less than STDR of A. Therefore village B is more healthier. Which STDR is less, that population is more healthier. So here village B is more healthier. So STDR of, you have to write the conclusion, B less than STDR of A. Therefore village B is more healthier. More healthier. You have to write the conclusion also. So these important problems are usually asked for 10 marks when a separate standard population is given. So we will continue in the next class.